Against procrastination. So we have events running until midnight, basically.
Leave more time for every subject, even though it is not your main subject. But I think every lessons here, every lecture here matters.
Okay.
Yeah.
One of the biggest advice to give like first year students is to take a good look at the syllabus, because sometimes like the grading scheme really helps and you can decide to which project you should spend your effort on. So I think time management is really important.
I think same goes for me. My study style didn't really change, but then I guess one thing that I underestimated in like first year is that I didn't really utilize office hours that much, help like course resources, the resources that uni provided. So I guess for first year, make sure to read course syllabus and utilize all the resources you can, get the help, like as much help as you can. It will make your life so much easier.
All right, thank you so much.
Do you ask for advice from like elder students, from like a mentor? Do get a mentor if possible, and ask your professors for help. They're really nice.
Okay.
And I feel like my first year was kind of messed up, and I'm not saying I regret it. I gained like valuable experience from it, but still ask for advice.
Ask for advice.
Yeah,
I
ask
love
for
that.
advice.
Well, definitely not procrastinating. I'm going to try to do a lot better by just putting more effort in and, learning from my mistakes. And if that means reaching out to people, whether it's my peers or my teachers, I think it's definitely a lot better than just trying to figure things out yourself when you know you're stuck. So it's, again, about reaching out when you need help. It's just realizing that the environment, yes, we kind of expectations expect competitive, but still, it's okay to ask for people, for help when you need it.
I like that.
The exam season, it's always stressful, but I think it's just that how like the different way to study, especially rather than just like looking for the applicational questions and like computer questions of like use this to get C or something like that. It's rather just like try to understand and deeply like know the material without using your textbooks and formats and stuff like that. Just try to piece all the information together, because like going from the transition to high school and university, it was just a big jump in like understanding and like the knowledge.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.